Hello, welcome to another video. We're gonna do such an amazing biscuit. So 2 eggs, $120 of sugar, and let's whisk them well. Perfect. So 10 ml of vanilla extract, and mix well again. A pinch of salt, $150 ml of vegetable oil, and let's whisk this well as well. Beautiful. Okay, 360 grams of plain flour. I'm gonna be sieve it, but I'm just gonna put half at the time, or you can put it in 3 or 4 different times. So the flour won't get any clumps if you do this procedure. Okay, so at this time I'm gonna be using a spoon, which will be easier. So I'm gonna put the other half of the flour now. And 12 grams of baking soda, and I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna be using a spoon. I think it's much easier for me. Don't know about you, so do the way you feel more comfortable. So as soon as I get to this point, it looks like a bread dough, so I'm gonna be using my hand. And until it gets more or less to this point, which is not sticking to your hands. So I'm gonna break it in 2, so 2 halves. And now in one of the halves, I'm gonna sprinkle 10 grams of cocoa powder. And I'm gonna try to incorporate the cocoa powder into the dough. Can be a little bit messy, but in the end it's just worth it. Okay, so I've got 2 halves, one with cocoa powder, one just normal. So I'm gonna start rolling like tennis ball size, golf ball size, and flat them down. So you actually can mix them and just roll it and flat it down, and you've got these beautiful patterns of 2 different colors. So 100 Celsius for about 20 minutes, or 300 Fahrenheit. And here we go, they look absolutely beautiful. Let them cool down and they're ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Thank you.